Our next category is what we call our KDZ Ultra. Now what this is, it is a zirconium oxide core or coping overlaid with Noritake porcelain, which is absolutely beautiful powder liquid porcelain. So we have a couple options here. If this was our crown prep, we could either make a coping out of zirconium and then overlay with this beautiful ceramic. So we basically have a restoration that would be similar to PFM, although this coping is very translucent when it's thin. So it certainly outperforms aesthetically to what we'd see with a porcelain fused to metal crown. Strength would be the same, because although this is 1,000 megapascals, this overlying ceramic is only 100. So that's certainly an option. And if someone came into my office and had, because I don't use very much metal, if someone came into my office with existing PFMs and I have to replace a single PFM and they're opaque because they're PFM, I tend to go with a KDZ Ultra over a PFM. I just like the look of the ceramic, and also affordability. It's less expensive than a PFM. I don't have to worry about any potential metal allergies or toxicity. So we can use it like that, just like you'd always see a PFM. Where I think this material shines is to do a partial cutback. So let's say this is a maxillary first molar. So there's my prep. This would be my buccal. This would be my palatal. So what we do is I have the lab go ahead and cut back just the facial. So this would be our functional cusp. This has a flexural strength of 1,000 megapascals. The central fossa, 1,000 pascals. Then we overlay the facial with the Noritake. So I get this material that absolutely could not be broken by the patient, yet we have the facial aesthetics. And we can do this any which way we want. You know, if we wanted to, let's say it's a premolar, this could actually be modified so that we do the buccal occlusal. Also in the anterior, if it's a multi-unit bridge, this could be layered on the incisal edge to give us a lot of incisal edge translucency. So this was our prep. And then the monolithic zirconia would be the coping. So we have maximum strength here. And then we take the Noritake and we put it facially and incisally. So we can make these look absolutely beautiful, but we have the high strength. And that would be our Ultra. And we either do it for single units, in lieu of a PFM. I tend to go the monolithic in the posterior and on first and second molars, but certainly in premolars, or if we're doing multi-unit bridges in the anterior, where we want multiple or ideal aesthetics. All right, so that's the Ultra.